What's up, boys? Jared, and then Jared's dad finally got a rig. He got a Colorado ZR2. I don't know what year. It's brand new. That shit nice. Going to Flagpole again. Yeah, we're just now leaving our area because yeah, update y'all in a few. And also, my battery is dead, so I gotta keep my shit on, because, yeah, I haven't driven this thing in forever, and I've killed the battery like a million times already. It is finally dead. It is 7:33, so whenever AutoZone opens up, stop by there, and then, yeah, to the loop. Currently up in the mountains right now. I'm not sure if this is peak fall colors. Are we about to exit? Why he got over? Oh, I guess not. Yeah, Jared in the lead car. His dad in the back.
Hey Jared, how much longer to the Walmart?
Yeah.
35 minutes. Okay.
What's up, y'all? I don't know what fucking town we're at. But yeah, we are pulling up at Bussies. God damn, this shit got hella fucking pumps. Holy shit. What the fuck? Yeah, this is gonna be my first time pulling up at a Bussies. That's a beautiful ass dog right there. Holy shit. Yeah, this is my very first time pulling up at a Bussies. This is intense. What the fuck? God damn, son. I don't know what the hype is. I guess I'm about to find out once we come in. Yeah. Jesus Christ. What fucking city are we in? We are in Mount Crawford, I think, right now. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah. Put that back. Oh, that thing about dying, ain't it? No, it's the memory. Alright, review.
This shit's ass.
Bucky's review.
Yeah, first time brisket. I got the big bucking beef brisket.
Alright, boys.
Oh shit! Hey, don't scare the other people.
There's a fucking bee.
It's just a bee, man. Why are you scared?
Yeah, bro, he's been around longer than you.
Oh shit.
I don't know about that. Maybe their species, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Bee. Yeah, shit's good.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, alright.
Alright.
So I get it now?
They had Carolina pulled pork on the other side.
Okay. You should good. Might go back in.
Jay's gonna go find the tub.
Yeah.
This shit is nice as fuck. I think we're currently peak fall colors right now. I can't fucking English. But we're 20 minutes away from I think Brandywine Free Outdoor Range. We're basically in Rockingham County. Riven Rock Park. Yeah. Airing down. Jared.
Alright, we out here.
Frank.
Flagpole Knob.
That's Corey. Tall ass motherfucker. That's Chuck, their dad. Y'all met Chuck before in a previous video. Hey, you need to invest in some quick deflators, man. This is Chuck's new truck. What year is this? 2026 ZR2 Colorado. With how many miles?
You're only at 32.
It has 245 fucking miles. What the fuck?
It's got 5 something. Yeah,
Oh,
it's got
675.
500.
675 right there. I was looking at the speedo, but this shit is fucking nice. Leather seats, everything. Has the little camo trim with the neon green stitching. This shit is nice. Suspension, Multimatic. I don't know what the fuck, DSSV. Hey, who's that suspension by?
Huh?
Oh, Bilstein? Yeah. So, yeah, this shit is nice. It seems like he got scratches already. No, they're just dirt. It may be scratches. I don't know. My shit box.
One at a time.
The end.
Alright, go ahead. Be careful, there's a rock right there. She ain't even that bad.
Watch that shit fucking sink.
Nah.
Hell yeah.
You good? Yeah, back up that way. Hey, yo, somebody lost their mud flap.
I mean,
There's a mud flap over here on the ground.
Oh, I thought you said he lost his
No. He ain't got no mud flaps.
Hell yeah, 70 bill quality. That's some naughty shit.
yeah.
And I'm sure you could do that. Like, you could have drove through that too. No
I'm
problem.
sure I could have better tires.
Now he's gonna have a hard time making a left turn. I should probably move my shit, huh? Yeah, go left a little bit. Make sure you go, go right a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the right of it.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good
You're clear. Yep, you're good.
But I'm good. Alright, hold on. Well, I'm gonna go by first. Hold on. Two-wheel drive, eat my dick.
I can't really turn off my four-wheel drive.
Hold on, I'm coming down there.
I can't do shit. I can't see shit.
Hold on, Jay. Hold on. Hold on. Back up, first off.
You're fine, just keep going.
No, hold on.
You're fine.
I want you to come more this way.
For what?
Hit the rock.
Hit their driver's side on this rock.
We can hit his rocker.
You're not gonna hit the rocker.
You're gonna smack your rocker.
No.
I'm gonna smack that rock.
No, you're not. Just go slow.
Corey, I think you can hit his rocker. Or you can snap the side rock. Hell yeah.
All right, here.
It's not super wide right here, so I'm gonna keep going a little bit. Pull like off on like the hillside, like right here, and they should be able to like pass. There's a rock right there, so watch out. I want one of those. Frank said it the exact same time the words came out of your mouth. Oh, literally buy a fucking bike hitch and put it on this bitch. Or even I'll make a fucking hitch up front and then put the bike up front. Nah, that's enough weight up front. It's almost there at the top.
Bro, you know what I just realized? That whatever your buddy's name was with the taco, that motherfucker flipped on the easy part and not at the fucking like rock steps.
Yes, because he's an idiot.
Found this camp spot, fucking big as fuck, big ass fire pit right there. Jared and them are gonna set up their tent right here since it's cleared already.
How far forward?
Keep going. I mean, you can, why don't you just pull right here?
Sweet. Have like the tailgate as like a table.
Yeah, just.
Oh yeah, true.
Well, I gotta open my door. God.
Oh my god. Can I just like hard left right now?
Yeah.
Is there a rock up there though?
No, I mean, there's one. I mean, I do still have my my folding table. Jared's dad's truck parked right there. I'm assuming these boulders are supposed to keep the cars out of here, but we made it work. Corey starting the fire. Frank is ready with his fucking tent. Man's ready to go to bed. What's up?
This fucking tent Coronado Brado. We'll sleep all of it.
Yeah, I saw it. He sent a photo of it. That shit's fucking huge. He didn't want to cuddle with y'all.
That wasn't an option. He's gonna. I ain't had cuddles in a long time, so.
Hey, you heard that, Frank? You heard that?
That I'm sleeping in my own tent set? Yeah.
No, you are getting snuggled by 3 big ass men.
I haven't had cuddles in a while, Frank.
All over 6 foot.
That's right.
Close enough.
There you go, Jay.
Huh. All right, here, man. Take over.
I'm good.
God damn it.
I can't feel my hands still.
Oh, how the fuck? God damn.
The only thing that was cold in the back of the truck was my hands.
We got a creek right here with no fucking water, so technically it's just a creek bed. It would have been dope if there was actual water here, though. How do you feel, Frank?
I brought the wrong steak, so hope my tent don't fly away.
It's not even windy.
Not windy and hopefully
Hey bro, with my luck, bro, I end up like that meme with the tent flying away.
This motherfucker, bro. This is a gear check.
I have an Agilite K19, Maximum Placard, PSA AK-104, Sure Shot chassis, some bullshit belt.
Can't even see the color.
I know.
That's it?
Yeah.
What kind of fucking
know.
fit? Bitch.
Glock 19X, Acro P2 on it, Ramjet, some bullshit filter.
Oh, that shit's actually on there.
Yeah, Gerber, look at that. Got a new multi-tool. A knife, my other mags, a dump pouch, an HSGI IFAC.
It's a fat ass IFAC. How you sit down with that?
You know, you just don't. In the field, you don't sit down. Patrol all the time. Sleep on your feet. Contact!
LMT? Is this thing recording? Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
it's on. It's been
Let me-
on
let me-
24 seconds.
Let me... Okay, yeah, I'm a chink. I do not come from North Korea. LMT 14.5 DI, G33 T2, Unity, you know, because hype beast. Geisley SSAE RC2. I don't even know what the fuck this is. PHL V2. What is this? Spiritus, I think. Is it Spiritus?
Yeah.
Yeah, Spiritus. Ooh.
Oh. Yeah, we're not gonna throw that tonight.
Yeah. Spicy mags in there, you know. JPC 1.0. Yeah, JPC 1.0. AWS belt with the G code pouches.
Jared, we got a Frankenstein, Sons of Liberty lower, a BCM upper, have an FCD rail, an EOTech EXPS 3,
You got
Surefire
a fucking
light,
plastic dust cover?
Q-Trap, yeah, the
Yeah, weight
Magpul
reduction,
dust
man.
cover,
Weight
super
reduction.
easy to install, you know, usual shit.
They're all easy to install.
Spiritus chest rig, got a tourniquet, mags, ain't nothing in them. You see that? Ain't nothing in them. This is all for show, guys. So got this off of
Timu.
balahackairsoft.com.
Hey, why you give him a free ad?
Glock 19, P19 G5.
Alright, boys. Probably gonna record y'all for a few minutes. Supposedly last night at midnight, Corey and Jared and their dad, they heard argument and like people arguing in the middle of fucking midnight. current POV, heading to Reddish Knob. Trails are fucking dusty as fuck. There's a few times to where you literally get dusted out and you gotta back off so you don't rear end nobody in front of you. But yeah, trying to watch or catch the sunrise on Reddish, hang out there a little bit, and then fucking head home right after. Yep. That's the view from the back. Straight dust. I don't know if it's picking up, kinda-ish, but it's actually worse in person. Yeah. Huh. Oh, my fault, man.
I sent you the 4K action camera deal. Did you see that?
Nah, not yet.
The 4K action cam for like $165.
Damn, man. I tried ordering, you know, like a Ray-Ban Meta glasses?
Yeah.
But like the cheap Amazon knockoff ones. The ones I ordered was so shitty. It was fisheye, but you didn't see nothing until like this far.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so.
Hey, Jared, do photography.
Are you pulling in? Oh, what's wrong? Hell yeah. Photo right there too, Chuck.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, hey. If that car like wasn't there,
Bro, facts.
that'd be so much better.
Photoshop. Just like we did the first time.
I mean, yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, so I want to pick right here too.
I was gonna say, let me step on your roof, but your roof's not as strong as mine.
I was about to say, not step on my roof, please.
Please don't.
Please don't, man. I already fucked my bumper up. My turn? Ready?
Yeah, Jay don't understand. He keeps fucking.
Hey, 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 hey! Quit yapping, get out the way.
Turn it the other way. There you go. That's good. There's that's good. You know how it shows the bars behind you where you're going?
Oh, so I don't even use the bars. So I use the mirror. Here's the rear. How? They're taller than mine somehow.
What? Oh, the tires?
Yeah. Well, so if he does the 2-inch, he can literally just slap on 35 1150s. Like they fit. Like.
Yeah, the Bison tires, they're 34.7 by 11.
Up, come here. My phone's charging. I'll send you all these.
Oh, Corey, airdrop me those videos and shit you took.
All right. Should we just like air up now or what?
It's aggressive, man.
No, we should air up like once we hit the highway. There's a little bit of
That's it. Almost forgot the GoPro.
When we find a gas station, try to pick something that's decent because I got a shit. There's a gas station right here. Oh, the baby puppy!